Welcome to the vlog. So today we're gonna be doing something cool. We're gonna go dye my hair. I don't know why I thought it was a good idea, but so Rolling Loud's around the corner and I thought it was a good idea to dye hair. And yeah, so we're going to Sally's right now. We're gonna pick out a dye and then my godmother's gonna dye my hair, and then you know we're gonna look cute for Rolling Loud. Picking you guys back up, we just got some hair supplies. Now we're looking for him to get some hair supplies because you know his hair is looking rough right now, so we're looking for supplies right now. I do not know what we're looking for. What are we looking for? You don't know what we're looking for? Oh my gosh. The lady was very nice, but she helped me. So I just got to my godmother's house. We are gonna bleach my hair actually. Yeah, bleach. I've never bleached my hair before, but I'm hoping it looks really well. So, I mean, I don't know what you guys think, but I'm gonna bleach it blonde. Hopefully it comes out really well. I'm gonna do my whole head. I just got a haircut as well. Got, you know, a little design to look cool, you know. But yeah, I'm kind of nervous, but hey, it's for Rolling Loud, it's for summer, you know, try something new, you never know, it might look good.
Yeah, I've been working so hard, what they don't know. When they see me now, they wanna take a photo. I just want a bad bitch in that polo. See me.
So I just got back to the hotel. This is my new hair. I like it a lot, it looks cool. Like a blondish color kind of, you know. Pretty nice, got a little design on the side, you know. If you look in the camera. We are going to the new hotel with Raul, Edmund Reese in the back. We are going to the Hard Rock. You guys can get a good view of that. And it's over there. I'm gonna pick you guys back up when we get over there closer. Do something.
Get it, boys. Let's fucking get it.
Do something.
I am going to have a great fucking time, period.
I need reactions. Give me a reaction.
What's my fucking reaction to what?
Okay.
Let's go, let's get it. I'm so excited.
What the hell, yo? Raul!
What's up?
Why my insides hurt?
My outfit for Rolling Loud right here. Got the Louis belt on, the jeans right here. I got the tough ass Vans. Got the little shirt I got from Ross, pretty cheap. Got the Rolling Loud ticket and the pool ticket right here. My hair is dyed. We're ready. Let's have fun. Yeah. 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 Lil Pump on stage right now. He's going crazy. Bravo! That shit go, go, go. Hey! Go!
Hey, what the fuck going on? Next to win his.
Where you from, my nigga? What do you know? Where you from, my nigga? Where you from, my nigga?
I got what I got. Alright, I got you.
Fuck your
Whoa. We back. My bad, bro.
Doing it for the vlog.
We out. Made it outside of Rolling Loud. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Let's go this way. This is what we gotta find. We gotta find our friends. It was crazy. Juice WRLD was insane. Bro, it wasn't Juice WRLD, was insane. It was crazy. YG was tough. Rick Ross was crazy. Now we're just walking. I don't know if you guys can even see me, honestly. It's so dark. Migos is still going, but they're like, it's too packed over there to even get in there, man.
My back hurts, high jump fucked me up, my knees hurt, thanks triple jump, long jump, and high jump, and hurdles. You guys suck ass. Fucking my knees hurt, my hips hurt, thanks hurdles. I appreciate it, 400 hurdles, and I appreciate it, 110 meter. Like, you guys suck ass too. I'm fucking tired. Holy shit.
Yeah, nothing to say, like, fuck it, I don't have anything to say. Okay, I thought it was appropriate to share the pain I have right now in my legs with you guys. Can't feel my legs. That's how I feel right here.
My dude just said
Welcome back to the vlog, boys. Got the boy Tommy over here. Finally made it to Texas. It's been so long. But today we're going to downtown San Antonio, and we're gonna be taking pictures and all that good stuff. And that's my last day in Florida and Texas vacation. Downtown San Antonio right here. Market Plaza, where we're gonna take some pictures for Instagram, and we're gonna go eat down here. Got a little squirrel right there. Pretty cute. Cool little background. In the middle of the road, casually. Don't do this at home, kids. This is dangerous stuff. Still trying to take cool pictures. Hard to take some good pictures in San Antonio, but we're here. Woo. Some cool things downtown.
You already know. That nigga's tired, bro.
Oh my god.
Oh, hold on. That nigga got 2 scooters.
That's so cool. For everybody that's watching this who has not seen Riverwalk San Antonio, we're about to go onto it right now. What are we going to eat? Going to the Iron Cactus.
If it's not there, it's further down.
It's beautiful.
This is a nice one. One of those Christmas, they like have the lights to it.
That's cool.
For your whole life, you can hear it. You hate it.
Right? Sorry guys, I was editing this video. I noticed I didn't have an outro, so please like and subscribe for good more content coming soon. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.